A new dawn brings new hopes, and a new morning at the Babagura village sees the preparation for a journey along a road much travelled. Prabhakar Reddy and his friends from this village in the outskirts of Hyderabad are preparing for a journey that they have been making for the past 4 years now. They are going to the Erragadda Raitu Bazaar.
Every morning, about 20 farmers from my village come to Erragadda Raitu Bazaar. We spend the day selling our produce and return in the evening.
Raitu Bazaar is the Telugu version of farmers market. The farmers are given an opportunity to bring their produce directly to these identified locations called Raitu Bazaars, wherein they sell this product, as you see all around, to the consumers, and they avoid the hassle of the middlemen.
Earlier I used to sell vegetables at the wholesale market in Secunderabad. We were forced to accept the asking price at the wholesale market. They would not even give us proper receipts because they have to pay the government. They would give us duplicate bills or just write down the amount on a sheet of paper.
In the wholesale market, one has to accept the asking price fixed during the auction, no matter what the quality of the produce is. And if one brings vegetables in surplus, then it goes cheaper than usual.
We produce 3 crops in a year. Even if we earn rupees 10,000 per crop, it works out to an annual income of rupees 30,000 extra. An additional income has made life easier. I can spend a little more without feeling insecure.
This is my house, and I have built it with the earnings from Raitu Bazaar. I have been selling there for the last 4 years. I managed to save 1 lakh rupees and borrowed another lakh to build this house. It has 4 rooms. It has been 2 years since I moved in here. After shifting here, I have bought a gas connection, a cooker, a mixer grinder, and a TV. I would like to buy a few more things, but it is not feasible right now. I am spending all my earnings on my children, on their clothes, books, and education.
You get a much wider range of vegetables to choose from here. They're also fresh. That's why I prefer to come here.
The Raitu Bazaar is not just about selling. It's also about empowering the farmers by giving them better know-how. They are trained in the latest technologies and practices required to increase productivity, like organic farming and drip irrigation. They're also provided with the best quality seeds at 50% subsidy. Another day at the Raitu Bazaar comes to an end. Today at the Erragadda Raitu Bazaar, 415 farmers sold vegetables worth 8 lakhs to 25,000 consumers. Pochalamma, the village deity, has been kind to the farmers of Babagura village. Today, Prabhakar Reddy and his fellow farmers are celebrating the Pochalamma Bonalu festival in her honor. Their prosperity has added new color to this yearly festival.